Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to quickly show you how to print or visualize a data frame. Alright, so we are using VS Code for this. Here in the first cell, we have imported Pandas, of course, and then we have used the read CSV method in Pandas library to read the data frame that we have on our hard disk. The name of this data frame is table. So let's print it and see how does it look like. So if I print it, you can see that I have a data frame, different columns. My columns are year, January, February, up until December. But you can see that there is no boundaries between the columns or rows, and you get your data frame in two lines. So it kind of makes it hard to follow what's going on. What you can do instead is to use the display method in IPython. So you could import it. So you can say from IPython dot display import display. Okay, now you have the display functionality. You could, instead of printing your table, you could say display the table. And here you go. You can see that it's printed in a much better shape. You have like well-defined rows and fonts are better and everything is in a single line. Yeah, so it's a good practice to use display instead of print for visualizing data frames. Thank you so much for watching.